traders, my name is Layla and welcome back to this week's no-nonsense market recap from Bullish Bear. US stocks kicked off the new year with confidence, powering higher in an energetic rally that brushed off geopolitical shock and highlighted investors' strong appetite for risk. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 pushed to fresh record highs, while the Nasdaq climbed on renewed strength in mega-cap tech. Even with dramatic developments in Venezuela, including the capture and indictment of former leader Nicolas Maduro, markets stayed locked in on growth, earnings, and policy rather than the headlines. Bond yields ticked modestly higher, oil and metals swung back and forth, and volatility remained constant, signaling investors were comfortable leaning into risk early in 2026. Technology and semiconductors led the charge, with Nvidia and Amazon helping to pull the broader market higher. Meanwhile, chip stocks surged out of the gate, with Micron up roughly 17% year to date after just a handful of trading sessions. Intel jumped to its highest level since April 2024 after revealing a new manufacturing process at CES, and Microchip technology rallied after raising its sales outlook. Alphabet grabbed the spotlight by overtaking Apple in market capitalization for the first time since 2019. This reflected Wall Street's growing enthusiasm for Google AI's momentum, alongside concerns about Apple's slower progress. Nvidia added to the excitement after signaling plans to test a level 4 Robotaxi service as early as 2027, underscoring how AI leaders are pushing into entirely new industries. Defense contractors rallied Thursday after President Donald Trump called for a $1.5 trillion military budget in 2027, lifting names like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman. Energy stocks advanced as oil prices bounced and expectations grew that U.S. producers such as Chevron could benefit from renewed access to Venezuelan crude. Although analysts warned rebuilding Venezuela's oil industry could take years and a massive investment. In other news, Homebuilders stocks lagged following analyst downgrades, while consumer names saw mixed reactions to earnings and corporate upgrades. Corporate news and earnings added fuel to the rally, with Eli Lilly surging after agreeing to acquire biotech firm Ventyx Biosciences for more than $1 billion. Constellation Brands also topped revenue expectations, and Okta jumped after announcing a $1 billion share buyback. Ford posted its strongest U.S. sales year since before the pandemic, while Tesla disappointed investors with weaker than expected vehicle deliveries. In crypto markets, Bitcoin surged early in the week before pulling back from recent highs, reflecting a broader improvement in risk appetite. Overall, the message from the markets was clear: investors are stepping into 2026 with optimism, and next week, a brand new earnings season gets underway. For more updates, tune in next week as we continue to track the market's every move, and subscribe down below to Bullish Bear for more market recap videos. Until next time, stay disciplined, manage your risk, and remember, bears make money, bulls make money, but pigs get slaughtered. See you in the trading room.